Josh. Normally we talk about tools and building materials. Today we're talking about jewelry. Wedding ring. I notice you're not wearing a wedding ring.
I do not wear my wedding ring, but
Why
I'm
is
happily
that?
married.
You are.
It's actually a safety issue, I consider in my eyes.
Not anymore. You no longer have excuses. So this is a ring. It's made out of silicone. A company called Qalo makes it. Qalo. No U. Qalo. It's made out of silicone, and it's designed to, if you catch it on a ladder or on a hook or on a nail or something, it's designed to tear it off. So
Are you giving me this one? I was just going to take that one.
it kind of felt weird, didn't it?
Yeah. Well, I was.
No, that one's too small. That's what ladies. And that's the thing. They're for men and women.
Oh, really?
And they come in literally hundreds of different, configurations. You can get custom writing in there, monograms, pick your color.
Huh.
It's actually pretty slick.
And where do you get these?
Qalo.com.
Oh, just right on their website. How
Yeah.
much are they?
They're starting at like $17, $18. I've seen them for as cheap as. And even the custom ones don't seem that much more expensive.
It's cheaper than a real ring. That's
Yeah.
comfortable.
Yeah, no, it's not bad. So
if you get it on something, it'll tear and
it'll
rip.
tear.
Wow.
Yeah. And for $20, it's not a big deal.
No.
So that's it. Qalo rings. I'm calling your wife and telling her you have to wear a ring from now on.
I'll just wear this one.
Yeah, there you go.